Hello and welcome back to Ballistic Coalition. So today's going to be a really fun video. We got something special going on. We're going to be testing out Masterlock's claim that their locks are tough under fire. We picked up 3 Masterlocks and we picked up a test medium. We picked up a hyper tough lock. We're going to be testing these out and shooting them with a 9mm and 5.56 today. I'm going to be using frangible ammunition for the 9mm. I think we're going to get the best results from that. It's not going to go and jam up the lock with a big lead round stuffing inside of the core of the lock and everything. Just to show you that these really aren't that tough, we're going to go and pick this lock real quick. They don't take long. Under a minute, open, no key. We got one already set up over there. Let's go down to the range and go shoot it with the 9mm first. Alright, so we got the 9mm. We got a frangible round. We're gonna go and chamber it in this. And we're gonna shoot down on this padlock here, like this. Wow. Yes. Okay, so that round just grazed the front of it. We're going to try to hit down on the shackle a little bit more this time. So we got another round. We're going to go and chamber it in there. Okay, so we completely blew the metal lining off the outside of this lock and the little rubber grommet, but it's still holding strong, so it's tough under fire to a 9mm round. All right, we're just going to do a quick function test since it looks like I can still get my key in here. All right, so the lock is fully seized on there, but it did stop it and it held tight. Okay, so next up we got its competitor. We got the hyper tough lock. This one does not claim to be tough under fire. It does not have the ball bearing lock. It has just a standard pin and shackle lock. We're gonna go and chamber up the same frangible ammo and shoot down on the shackle and see what happens. Popped it right open. Okay, so let's assess the damage that we got on this here lock. Oh, my finger's stuck. It just about shifted everything on this whole stack of zinc plates, all shifted, knocked a pin out right here and popped this lock open. Won't even close, no longer functionable. Let's try the 5.56. Okay, we're going to test the Masterlock with the M855 now. We're going to see how that does holding up with a penetrator core in there. Wow. Okay, so I didn't really think this through all the way. I didn't bring an angle grinder out here. That lock is now stuck on there. We are going to just breach it the f off. Alright guys, making this video today was a whole lot of fun. Getting to blast off some locks, see what they can handle. Masterlock, they actually do hold tight to their claim that they are tough under fire. I mean, anybody with enough power or willpower to get in somewhere is going to get in. To be honest, for me, it's faster to go and pick it than it is to actually go and shoot it off. So this is your results if you go and just blast it off with 6-8 rounds. I forget exactly how many I shot at it. It took a lot to actually blast off a lock. The hyper tough lock, this guy right here, one shot, 9mm, clean, sheared it right off the lock up. It's done. So that's what we got out of today's video. You know, if you spend a little extra money on a Masterlock, it might not be so safe towards pickers, but it is safe towards somebody trying to shoot your lock off. All right, thank you for watching. You guys have a good one.